Mikhail, we received your sample material in that you do your screen printing and your printing on, and this material will cut just fine with our press. Now there are a couple different types of dies you can use with our press. You can use a steel rule die. This is an example of a small steel rule die. This is a .937 high die mounted in wood. This has ejection foam. It's used in a lot of printing applications. I'm sure you're familiar with it. Another type of die that you can use with this type of press is called a forged die. This is an 1¼ inch high forged die. This die will allow you to cut through thicker materials. Now I'm guessing that for most of the stuff you're doing, you would probably use a steel rule die. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you how this would work. There's two different ways to use our press. First of all, you can put your cutting board on the bottom. This is your cutting board right here. You can put that on the bottom and then put your die on the board blade down. You can also mount your die to the top. We actually have mounting holes on all corners of the press. So say you had a larger die, you could attach it with bolts and wing nuts. So for this application, I'm just going to show you how the press works going blade down. I'm going to put the material on the cutting board. I'm going to put the die on top of the material. I'm just going to slide it in. Take it out. And as you can see, you get a nice clean cut. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cut a variety of pieces for you and send all these cut samples back and let you determine what type of die might work best for your application. And we'll go from there. Thank you.